A bearing change in seconds instead of hours. Our split bearings make it possible. The insert is replaced directly on the shaft. And with a quick release pillow block, not even a tool is needed. In many systems, bearings are installed exactly where access is most difficult, on long shafts, between conveyor rollers, behind protective covers. A replacement often means removing rollers, loosening components, losing time. With our split housings, the process becomes much easier. Open the housing, replace the insert, close it, done. Tool-free with a quick release pillow block with a few screws on the flange bearing, but in both cases directly on the shaft and in seconds. This reduces downtime, cuts effort and increases productivity. And all of that completely lubrication-free, maintenance-free and without grease entering the environment. See yourself how fast a bearing insert change can be done.